today we're gonna make monkey bread, and these are our ingredients. Let's get started. Okay, so
there you go.
was that so fun?
It was fun. Okay, there you go. Here's another one.
Mommy, I want to make all of them.
Yes, you can. Okay, I'll hold this side. Make sure it's full. Let me see. No. Before you put it in, make sure that the scoop is full of cinnamon. Let me see. Spoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we're going to put half a cup of sugar. Here, you want to put that in there?
Okay.
So next, we're going to put all of the dough that we cut in our Ziploc bag with the cinnamon sugar mix. So go ahead, Lucas.
Is that it? Is that it?
And then we're gonna shake the bag. No, we're gonna put them all in there. Do you want to dump the whole bowl in there?
It's so heavy.
Is it? You're strong.
So heavy, but it's not heavy. So.
Good. Okay, and then put the rest of the, there you go. Nope, you can just put it directly in the bag.
No.
Oh, you want to do it that way? Sure. There you go. Okay, then we're going to close the Ziploc bag.
Then put that in that. Is that it?
So this is how, after the bag's shaken, this is how it's supposed to look. Try to evenly coat everything and, ouch. And no beating the dough. Okay, so now we're gonna take 1 cup of brown sugar. You wanna scoop it out, Lucas?
The whole thing?
Yes.
Why? Mommy, why?
Oh, I don't think we have quite enough brown sugar. That's okay. We'll make it less sweet. Okay, put it in the bowl. And this is 1 stick of butter. This is a little warm, so I'll just pour it over, okay? Maybe you should use a whisk, Lucas. This
Why?
whisk.
Why?
And mix it, but make sure it doesn't spill, okay? So just be very careful when you mix it. Hold this bowl right there. Okay, whisk, whisk, whisk. Kind of like when we're making brownies. Why don't you pour this in the bundt cake pan and kind of spread it all around. How did it get in there? Ah!
Oh my God.
What did you do? Okay, get it out of there. There you go. And then we just want to
Put that in it?
So, let's see. Okay.
What do I do?
You see this gooiness? Okay. Are you ready? I'll help you.
Yeah.
I'll help you. Hold the bowl. Okay, ready?
Go. What does it taste like now?
It's gonna taste really good. Okay. There you go, and we're gonna stick it in the oven, 350 degrees for about 30 minutes.
Wait.
So now, while we're waiting for the monkey bread, Lucas is having a little experiment.
Yep.
What's this experiment, Lucas?
Candy.
You got some different kinds of sprinkles in there, and this is the Starburst. Can I have this?
You can.
Good. And you're gonna open Pez and mix it in there. So I just got the monkey bread out of the oven, and it is looking real good. Smells good too.